Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use stock videos on CapCut. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my CapCut application, and first thing first, I'm going to create new project. I'm going to click on new project, and if you want to use stock videos from the CapCut, we can go to the library. And here, as you can see, you will be able to choose a lot of categories. You can choose trending, Christmas and New Year, green screen, background, intro and end, transition, and you can choose the stock video you need. And you can also search for the stock videos right here. Just go to the search menu. And for instance, I'm going to search for the cat videos. So I'm gonna type in cat and I'm going to search for it. Okay, and as you can see guys, there are a bunch of videos you can use, and let's say I'm going to use this one so we can download the video. Just wait for a moment. Okay, now it's done, and we can click on the circle and add it to our project. Okay, and now the stock video from CapCut has been added to my project, and that's how we can use stock videos on CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.